Alright, compas. Bottom door missing this part, which is the door seal, compressor seal, which is this one right here. So if you see, well, I don't know if you see it, but right here, right behind it, there's 5 screws. This one's right here. To replace this part, you need to take the door off. So literally it's 2 screws right here, 1, 2, and 3 screws underneath. Pull them out, set it down. There's these screws right here. Right here, 1, 2, 3 screws, if I'm not mistaken, 3 screws. Then you're gonna pull it off. It's gonna be on 2. You're gonna separate the door. Once it's separate, you have 5 screws, 5 nuts. Take them off, and this one, the door handle, is gonna be off, and you can get access to it. Remember, it's a blodgett. I forgot this model number, but it's from 2007 if I'm not mistaken. Puro pa'lante, compa.